Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's study. Today I am going to show you how I make my weekly planner. Hope it will helpful for you. To make this we need a A4 size sheet. If you don't have A4 size sheet you can use any paper. Some colors, scale, eraser, pencils and one marker. First of all, mark 1 centimeter space. And now I am marking the 1 centimeter space with the help of scale, and after that I join this marks and left the 1 centimeter space all around the paper. By the way, this step is not necessary. If you want to skip, you don't want to make a border, you can skip this step. And now with the help of black sketch I am making this line visible. After doing this, now I divide the paper into two parts, like it is about 28 centimeter and I mark like this. One part is about 20 centimeter and another part is about 8 centimeter. After that this paper look like this. And now I am making 7 boxes for 7 days. I already marked the boxes with the help of pencil. So first mark these boxes with the help of pencil. After that use a sketch. And now with the help of highlighter I am writing weekly planner. If you don't have highlighter you can use any sketch pen and simple pen like ball pen or gel pen, and if you have brush pen you can use brush pen also. And now I am trying to decorate it. I'm not so good in art, but I'm trying. With the help of a sketch now I'm coloring this bow, and now mark the day's name: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, all this. I'm using pink color to writing this and blue color. You can use any color. On the other side of the paper I'm making a column for the goals and other activities. Like first I am making the goals of the week, goals and assignment I have to do in this week. And now I am writing a motivational line, and this is completely optional, you can skip this. And now with the help of black ball pen I am highlighting this because it is not so clearly visible. That's why I am using black pen for this purpose. And you also highlight this motivational quote. And now I'm marking this. I'm coloring this strip only for decorative purpose. Here you can use color paper also. Finally this weekly planner look like this. And now I am telling you how can you use this weekly planner. For example, my goal of this week is to complete the lower limb in anatomy, so I write this in the goals of the week column. After that I divide the lower limb into 6 parts, one part for each day. For example, I divided the lower limb into the osteology, muscle, arteries, vein, nerves, compartment and the foot. So I decided to complete the osteology part on Monday, so I am writing the osteology on Monday column and muscle in Tuesday column. So like this you can divide your goal into 6 parts. First of all, you have to decide your goal, what you have to do in this week. After that, divide into 6 parts and dedicate each part for each day. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, guys.